Hello and welcome to this brief little demonstration video for Week 8's project here. So I'm just going to start off real quick with the document component here. So I can hit the edit button and it takes me to the form. If I just update the form with like something and save it, you can see it adds it there. Also with the form, I have like different forms of validation and things, but if I fill it in with whatever, you can see as here, you can edit it there. Cool. So now let's go to the contacts thing. So the contacts, same thing. I can do the edit button. It fills in the form with the previous information. If I like change it, then it throws a fit saying, "Hey, that's not valid. You can't do that." Same thing like with the name and stuff. But if I were to change it and whatever and save, then you can see it changes it there. If I want to add a new contact, I can fill it in and save it, and at the end it does that. But now if I want to drag and drop something onto it, I can just add like a bunch of stuff. If I want to delete some, I can. If I save it and head back to it, you can see that it still remembers the list. But yeah, no, that is basically the contacts project. I hope you enjoyed, and thank you for watching.